Struggling to increase conversions on your website? Imagine turning more visitors into paying customers effortlessly. Today, I'm revealing how to build a high-impact conversion rate optimization strategy using Team-GPT. Hey everyone, I'm Antonio, go-to-market lead at Team-GPT, and today I'm tackling a real-world challenge, helping Adobe improve conversion rates for their Creative Cloud subscription pages. I'll show you how AI-powered insights can uncover hidden bottlenecks and guide data-driven testing strategies that boost conversions. I'm already in my Adobe CRO strategy project with project knowledge set up. Let me walk you through what I've included in the project knowledge. So here in the project knowledge, we have the project information, the example outputs, the links and the files. On the project information, I've defined our conversion goals for increasing Creative Cloud subscription conversions. For links, I've added Nielsen normal group conversion rate optimization resources. And for the files, I've added two PDFs. So the first one is the Adobe Creative Cloud funnel analysis, and the second one is a CRO test recommendations. Now, I'll click on the web. Web browsing allows me to search the internet in real time without leaving Team-GPT. On the web, I will create a prompt, and the prompt will be this one. So I want to research current conversion rate benchmarks for SaaS and creative software subscription services. Let's search. So it gives me the website visitors, the free trial to paid conversion, the freemium to paid conversion, the key factors affecting conversion rates. So this is the benchmarks for goals to improvement in 2025. After completing my research, I'll copy the link of the web chat and add it to my project knowledge. So we have it here. Now I'll ask Team-GPT to identify specific conversion bottlenecks in Adobe's funnel. I'll prompt in the same project, based on the funnel analysis in our project knowledge, identify the top 3 conversion bottlenecks and explain why they're occurring. Okay, so I'll create a new prompt. I'll call it bottlenecks, and the instructions would be, based on the funnel analysis in our project knowledge, identify the top 3 conversion bottlenecks and explain why they're occurring. And I'll save, and now I'll use this prompt, bottlenecks. We have it here. I'll search. So it's already identifying like landing page, plan selection, account creation, right? So these are the 3 bottlenecks that we identified. I'll use the prompt builder to create optimization hypotheses. The prompt builder is a tool that helps create more effective prompts by asking questions about my specific needs. I will describe my task. I need to develop a complete CRO strategy for Adobe's Creative Cloud subscription pages, including test recommendations and implementation priorities. Okay, it's giving me this table. The prompt builder will ask me follow-up questions. I will then copy the prompt and paste it in my latest chat. Finally, I'll turn this message into a page by clicking Turn to Page at the bottom. In the Pages editor, I can format the document and edit it paragraph by paragraph with AI Assistant. Okay, so here in the Page editor, I have a bunch of different stuff. So I can even like change this first paragraph and say like, make it longer because I feel like it. And so I can replace it. Maybe like I'm not feeling this formatting very well. So I can, like these 2 first points, I can say like summarize this. And it will put it very, very simple. I'll do the same with the third one actually. But the third one, I want it translated to Spanish. Why? Because we are showing our platform to you. And there we have it. A data-driven conversion rate optimization strategy that gives Adobe clear direction on how to improve their Creative Cloud subscription conversions. Thank you for watching.